Hi kids, welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today we're going to discover some amazing animal sounds. Are you ready to meet our animal friends? Let's go!
First, let's visit the farm. Look, here's a cow. What sound does a cow make? Now, what about the chickens? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens say cluck. And over there, we have some fluffy sheep. What do they say? Sheep say baa. Great job, everyone. Now, let's take a trip to the jungle. Here's a big lion. Can you roar like a lion? Wow. Lions say roar. And look up there in the trees, a cheeky monkey. What sound do monkeys make? Monkeys say ooh ooh, ah ah. And last but not least, we have a huge elephant. What does an elephant sound like? Elephants say trumpet. You're doing amazing, kids.
Wasn't that fun? We learned so many cool animal sounds today. Remember, next time you see these animals, you'll know exactly what they say. Thanks for joining me.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.